Hi, it's Debbie. I just got back from bowling and I got a few things from Wish that I wanted to show. I got 2 more shirts and let me take that off for a second. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But the first shirt I got, I wore it. This one says live, what does it say? Live by the sun, love by the moon. It's a racer back shirt and it fits pretty good. And then the other shirt I got from Wish is this one, which I was hoping to get it in time for Halloween. But it's got the skull on the front, and then on the back, the top part of it has got the lace back. And I tried this one on, and it fits really good too. Anyway, while I was at bowling, a gal had a thing to hold your mask. So when you're wearing your mask, and you have it on your ears, like so. Can't get it. My hair's always in the way. But like when you go to the restaurant and you need to put your mask down, you just take it. Oops, it's better if it stays hooked. But it's kind of like the thing that holds your glasses, but they make it to hold your mask. And it's real simple. They just put like a, where's the clasp? See, just a little lobster claw clasp on there. And then it's just made with beads. So all you crafters, I thought that would be a good idea if anyone wants to make something like that. So anyway, that's all I really wanted to show you. Oh, my Meedex cards I've been working on. I made one out of, I guess you can tell what that's made out of, those strawberry candies. You get them at Dollar Tree. They're like one of my favorites. So I just kind of glued them on. It's not finished, but that's what I was making, and I put a little foam underneath this one to make it look like a little strawberry. And then I also made this one with the kitty cat, and I made it look like a ball of yarn, just some yarn, and that was from Dollar Tree. And all the cats are from different cat foods. And lately, one of our cats is very persnickety, so we've been trying different ones. So. Anyway, that's how come I have so many different kinds of cat food. We used to just get this kind, and now she doesn't like it. So, and then on the back I put the little, I haven't added the information, but I just made a little card. Put the cat so that he looks like he's peeking out of the pocket. And if you see on the front, the whiskers there are real cat whiskers from one of our cats. And I am a weird person and I save whiskers, which my daughter will say, "That's weird, Mom." But I have this box and I will show you my treasure of whiskers. Opens up. You see all the cat whiskers. I've been saving whiskers for several years. I guess probably since I moved down to Florida, so since 2012. So there would be 4 different kitties' whiskers in here. Right now we're down to only 2. We lost our Bubba back in January, and our other kitty, Cicely, we lost back in 2013, I believe. But anyway, this box is got from Nebraska. If Sandy P is watching, the truck stop that's down on your way down to Fremont in Nebraska, this is where we found this. You know how that truck stop has all kinds of little souvenirs and stuff. But anyway, my daughter got one with cat, but it's a really nice puzzle box. You pull the piece of wood out, and you slide that off. If anyone knows how to make these, they're really cool. And then that little piece of wood. And anyway, so I guess that's all I really have to show you. Oh wait, I did make something. I think Tony would probably appreciate this from Creative Chica Halls, Creative Chica Halls, but it's a napkin, and this is just a jar that had nuts in it, mixed nuts from Walmart, and I put the napkin on here. Had to kind of piece together to get it to match up, you know, so the pattern. But if you put a candle inside, it looks pretty cool. And so that's really all. So have a good day. Bye.